Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're all having an amazing day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you new house projects in our upstairs small hallway makeover. A huge thank you to Lamps Plus for sponsoring this video. Stay tuned to see the most beautiful and dreamy light fixtures from Lamps Plus that were the inspiration for these house projects. Now let's get started. I really enjoy sharing behind the scenes with you guys because it's like you're experiencing the process of our home projects and room makeovers with me. This hallway makeover has been a project on my to-do list and I'm really excited to get it started. You will see the before and after, new crown molding and wainscoting installation plus a clean and decorate with me. I'm so thankful you all are here, and to show my appreciation, I want to do a surprise giveaway to you guys. I will be giving away $100 via PayPal to one winner. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification to make sure you're notified whenever I upload a new video, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment. That's it, the winner will be announced 1 week from today. Make sure to check out the description box for more details. I'm so excited to partner with Lamps Plus and let you all know that they now offer flexible payment options with Sezzle. You can buy it now and then make payments over time. You can buy from Lamps Plus and pay in 4 installments, each of 25% of the total. There's no interest within 6 weeks and there will be no impact on your credit score. You guys, this is the light fixture I picked for my bedroom seating area. When I first saw it, I knew it was the one that had to go in that space. It's definitely a wow factor for sure, and this one is called the Allegri Mira 21-inch wide polished chrome pendant. To check out with Sezzle, check out as you normally would, and right under the order total, click on the little box next to Sezzle. You will then see monthly payments with a breakdown of how much 9, 12, or 18 months total would be. I picked 2 of these for the hallway and I'm so happy I did because they're so pretty. I was instantly drawn to the acrylic and chrome details. This ceiling light is for an upcoming home project in the laundry room, so this is a sneak peek. I can't wait to get it started with this beauty. I'll leave links in the description box for all the light fixtures you see in today's video. Now that all the updates are finished, it's time to decorate, which is my favorite part. Here's one more look at the before and here's the after. This space now ties in with the rest of our home and it feels so good to have completed this project. I have very minimal decor here just because I don't want to clutter up this small space. I would love to hear your thoughts on how you think the space turned out in the comments. This is the pendant light that's going in the seating area in my bedroom. This space wasn't complete without it, and now that it's finally up, I love putting up the roller shades so that the sun hits each crystal for so much sparkle. This concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. I hope you enjoyed our home projects and small hallway makeover. Let me know in the comments how you think these spaces turned out. Make sure to check out Lamps Plus for the most stunning lighting, furniture, and more. The link to shop is in my description box. I'll talk to you on my next one. Take care.